Revisionist. Revisionist is any foreign policy by which a state seeks to alter the existing international territorial, ideological, or power distribution to its advantage. A revisionist policy is basically expansionist and acquisitive in nature, hence a state will be likely to pursue such a policy if its decision-makers are dissatisfied with the status quo and believe that the state has the ability to achieve its objectives. Nazi Germany, for example, revised its power and territorial status during the 1930s by rearming in violation of the Treaty of Versailles, by carrying out numerous acts of duplicity, threatening war, exerting political pressures on weak governments, and winning diplomatic victories such as the Munich Agreement of 1938. When these tactics were no longer successful, Adolf Hitler took his nation into war against the status quo bloc.